Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit a job posting on Guru. Here's a detailed guide on how to edit a job posting on Guru. First off, I'd like you to know that for you to edit a job posting on Guru, you need to be signed into your Guru employer account. I could not create an employer account for some reason, but you would need to have an employer account. So assuming you're an employer and you're logged into your Google employer account, I'm going to show you the steps that you can take to edit a job posting. So log into your Guru employer account, open your browser and navigate to www.guru.com. Click on the login in the top right corner and enter your account's credentials. Then click on login to access your dashboard. This is the freelancer dashboard, so this may not be exactly what you see in your employer account. It could definitely be labeled differently. So once logged in, navigate to the My Jobs section. So here you have dashboard, find work, jobs, payments. So you can find that in your employer account as well. So click on jobs, okay, which is found in the main menu. So the job is found in the main menu. Then click on jobs to see a list of all the job posting you have created. Now, in the job listings, find the specific job posting you want to edit. Click on the job title, all right, or edit button next to the job posting to open the job details page. Now, on the job details page, look for the edit button or link, and this is usually located near the top or in the job overview section. Then click on edit to enter the editing mode for that job posting. So update the job details, which could include the title. So change the job title if needed to better reflect the position. Update the job description with any new details or changes. Be clear about the tasks, responsibilities, and required skills. Also, in category, ensure that the job category accurately represents the nature of the work. If necessary, select a different category from the drop-down menu. Adjust the budget if there are any changes to your payment structure, including hourly rate, project fee, or any specific pricing details. And if the project duration has changed, update the expected timeline or deadline accordingly. Modify the required skills section to add or remove skills based on the current needs of the project. And if applicable, add or update any attachments such as documents, images, or links relevant to the job posting. Of course, after making all necessary updates, carefully review the job posting to ensure that all information is accurate and complete. Once satisfied with the updates, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save or Update Job button to apply the changes to your job posting. After saving, you may receive a confirmation notification indicating that your job posting has been successfully updated. You can also return to your job listing to verify that the changes are reflected correctly. That's it. By following these steps, you can successfully edit a job posting on Guru using your Guru employer account. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.